In this tutorial in Microsoft Excel, I'd like to show you three simple functions you can use to change the case of letters. It only applies to letters, and it will do the job quite well with a couple of small exceptions. Let me show you. I have a list of names in column A and a note interspersed there in row 12. Let's assume I want to change Connie Bauer's name to uppercase. I start my formula with equal, and then I just type upper, and then I put the other column in brackets, upper of A1, and press enter, and now Connie's name is uppercase. If I take the formula and drag it down for all of those here, I see everything is perfect uppercase. The second option is lowercase. I would do equal, lower, and then put the issue in the cell in brackets, the cell or range of cells, and enclose it and press enter, and then hit my enter key and lock it in. And now I'll drag the formula down here, and now I see everything came through. It's all lowercase. The one you have to be careful of is the third option, which is called proper. Proper capitalizes the first letter of every word. So I'll go equal here, proper of, I know it's column A1, enter. So now I have Connie Bauer back like Connie Bauer. I'm going to shrink this a little bit so we have more room. Watch what happens when I copy this formula down all these cells. If you're not careful, it looks like it works perfectly, but notice what it does here with McDonald. Okay, when after the MC, the D is not capitalized. It's not smart enough to do that. So if you have a word with a capital letter inside the word and you want to recreate that as proper, it won't necessarily take that letter and capitalize it. The other thing is it properly did the McDonald, it properly did Hector O'Malley. So after the apostrophe, it does capitalize the M. But notice if I have an apostrophe and another word that's not a name, like a contraction, don't, it automatically assumes that don't is going to be followed by a capital letter. So if you have a contraction, you're going to have an error. So you have to be careful with that. And if you have a name with an embedded, where you want an embedded capital letter, it won't do that as well. So let's take for example, the lowercase. I'll delete these formulas here. We'll change the lower to a proper. So we'll do here equals to cell C1, proper of C1, enter. Okay, and it upcase that right, and we'll drag down again. We should get the same results we had a minute ago. And we see that we do. McDonald is still an issue, and the contraction is still an issue. But with those two exceptions, you have the upper command, the lower command, and the proper command if you want to change the case of text in Microsoft Excel.